$50 a day. That's it. That's your budget to circle the globe, soak in new cultures, and taste exotic foods. Sound impossible? Think again. With a little ingenuity and a lot of hustle, you can turn your travel dreams into a reality without breaking the bank. This isn't about luxury, it's about immersion. Forget fancy hotels and Michelin-star meals. This is about sleeping in local guest houses, bartering in bustling markets, and hopping on chicken buses with the locals. It's about getting off the beaten path and discovering the heart of a place. Why $50? It's a number that demands creativity. It forces you to engage with your surroundings, to haggle, to think outside the box. It's a test, a challenge, an adventure. Are you ready to accept? Finding affordable accommodation is the cornerstone of budget travel. Hostels are your best friend. Dormitory beds provide a cheap, social way to meet fellow travelers. In many parts of the world, guest houses offer private rooms for a steal. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Websites like Couchsurfing connect you with locals who open their homes to travelers for free. Volunteering at hostels or farms can earn you a free bed and meals in exchange for a few hours of work. When booking accommodation, timing is everything. Shoulder seasons like spring and fall often offer lower prices than peak season. Booking in advance can sometimes save you money, but don't underestimate the power of last-minute deals. Food is more than sustenance. It's a cultural experience. Fortunately, eating well on a budget is easy in many parts of the world. Street food is your new best friend. From sizzling skewers to savory soups, you'll find delicious and affordable meals from street vendors in every corner of the globe. Embrace local markets. Fresh produce, spices, and local delicacies can be found at a fraction of the cost of supermarkets. Cooking your own meals is a great way to save money and experience local flavors. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They'll often point you to hidden gems with the best food at local prices. Remember, eating like a local is half the fun of traveling. Section 4. Planes, trains, and tuk-tuks. Transportation can make or break your budget. Flying is often the most expensive option, but low-cost airlines can offer great deals if you book in advance. Consider traveling by land whenever possible. Buses and trains are often more affordable and offer a chance to see the countryside. In many countries, local transportation is the cheapest way to get around. Tuk-tuks, collectivos, and minibuses are often more affordable than taxis and offer a more authentic travel experience. Don't be afraid to walk. Exploring a city on foot is free, healthy, and allows you to discover hidden gems you might miss on public transport. Section 5. My first 24 hours on a $50 budget were a whirlwind. I landed in Bangkok, the air thick with humidity and the scent of street food. I hopped on a crowded bus, the city whizzing by in a blur of color and sound. I found a bed in a lively hostel, the dorm filled with fellow travelers. I spent the day exploring the bustling streets, marveling at the golden temples and haggling for souvenirs in the markets. I feasted on pad thai for $1 and sipped on fresh coconut water for pennies. As I drifted off to sleep, the city sounds serenading me. I knew this was just the beginning of an incredible adventure. Section 6. The world is your oyster. Traveling the world on $50 a day is a challenge, but it's a challenge worth accepting. It's about pushing your boundaries, embracing the unfamiliar, and discovering the world's hidden gems. It's about learning to be resourceful, to adapt, to find joy in the simplest things. It's about connecting with people from all walks of life, sharing stories and laughter. It's about realizing that the best things in life are often free. So pack your bags, ditch the excuses, and go. The world is waiting to be explored, one budget-friendly adventure at a time.